Thank you for requesting For the Night, and it was made by Jeff. If you want to support my channel, make sure to watch the whole video till the end, and also make sure to make that thumbs up blue and subscribe to my channel, of course, because you like me so much. All right, so let's get started. We will start out with our hands going up towards your shoulder and pull back, so you get that TikTok whoa. Yeah, so I know I'm wrong, I did something wrong, something like that with the lyrics. Yeah, but you get up, boom, boom, and in the dance there's a bit of this bouncy groove to it. Don't worry about it too much, try it, but if it doesn't work, don't worry about it too much. Yeah, so we get I did some wrong, pop. So let me explain. So when we have that up, you're going to go towards your shoulder and pull back to get that TikTok whoa. Yeah, so you can also do this with your fist, but make sure you pull back your shoulder and your arm goes in the opposite direction. Boom, pa, boom. And it feels to me there's like this bit of a tension when I hit it back. So you get that hard effect. Yeah, so you have I did some wrong. So this thing right here is your hand going back 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like to chop it up, going from here to there, but you could also just hit it 3 times back. Ta ta ta, clap. Yeah, I did some wrong, clap. Yeah, don't go too far. Like clap. Let's do that again. So when I count 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, clap. Yeah, so we start on the and 8 and 1, clap. Yes, so let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, I did some wrong, clap. Always right, boom. So you're going to go across your body to the other side, turn a bit, and then thumbs up. Always right, boom. Always right. And your arm, your hand just shows like you're just showing your palm of your hand. Yeah, always right, boom, clap. 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 Yeah, so let's do it from the beginning. So we got 5, 6, 7, clap. I'm always right, boom, clap. Yeah, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, clap. I'm always right, boom, clap. Yes, from your clap, you're going to go across your body and make a gun. Yeah, so across your body, here. So this thing right here is your shoulders going up. Yeah, I like to shake it in a bit of a different way, but this is the easy way. Yeah, so you got shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Yeah, pop, 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 boom, pa, ta, 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 boom, click, ta, 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 boom, click. So you get ta, 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 stop, boom. Ta ta ta, so your shoulder go up and up. So you just shake your shoulder like you're having a, how do you call it, a shiver. Yeah, because it's not tak tak tak, but it's like a yes, boom, click, boom, click. And this click is going to bounce you off like a wall because we're going to get into this fight position. Yeah, so when we have 5, 6, 7, I did some wrong, clap, I'm always right, boom. Clap, no, I shoot, boom, ka. Shoot, tiki, boom, ka. Yes, so I don't know the lyrics correctly, so but the rhythm is pretty much the same. So when we have, I did some wrong, clap, I did them right, boom, clap, I said, ta, boom, ka. Yeah, something shoot, boom, ka. And with this, you can pretty much make a little step, boom, and then return. Yeah, when you hit that boom, you're going to have this, like you're having a wall here and you just bounce against it, wall, yes? Right, so wall, and then you're going to get in this fight position. So you're going to go here, fight, and then we're going to get into that. But let's just do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, I did some wrong, clap, I'm always right, boom, clap, and always shoot, doom, boom, ka. All right, choo, boom, ka, and then we're going to get into this fight. So let me explain that part. So when we have this here, you bounce, it's pretty much boom, like your hands, and sometimes I do this, sometimes I have my gun like this. You can decide for yourself. So when you have that shake, shake, boom, click, yeah? Shake, boom, click, you're going to let your hands loose, and then you're going to get into this fight position, yeah? That's just going like this. You're going to go to the left, and then you're going to get this boom, 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 yeah? It's the same as that hand going back, but then with your fist. 1, 2, 3, yeah? 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to get pretty much a clap, and then we're going to point to the front, yes? So when we have, let's say, the gun, ka, 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 boom, ka, no, I fight, t, 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 clap, yes? So I hope you guys can still follow what I'm saying. Let's do it slowly from the beginning, all right? 5, 6, 7, I did some wrong, t, 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 clap, I always right, boom, clap, shoot, do, 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 boom, ka, fight, do, 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 clap. Yeah, so when you have that shoot, boom, ka, and fight, do, 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 clap. You, and then what do the lyrics again say? Do, 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 ka, I told you once, something like that, yeah? So when we had the clap, you point to the front, and then you have another of this whoa, and this one is pretty slow. So instead of just going hard, you're just gonna have your body go slower. So instead of just doing that, like in the beginning, we're gonna go clap, told you, whoa, and then we're going to have this move, yeah? So you have point to the front, boom, ha, ha, yeah? So you have point, whoa, so this arm just goes down again. Ha, ha. We're gonna go to the told you twice. Let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7. I did some wrong. Clap, I know I'm right. Boom. Clap, I know I shoot. Boom. I know I fight. Boom, boom, boom. Clap. I told you once. So let me explain this part. So when we have once, so you're going to have your arms like this, and you're just going to go from here, wipe, whoop, whoop, ba, ba, yeah, boom, boom, whop, whop, yes? One, I told you twice, and with this you can just groove a bit with it, yeah? Bounce, bounce. Yeah, your hand can be in your, grab your pants, can have your hand on your back, but it's just 1 and 2. That's it. Told you once, I told you twice, boom, boom. Yeah? 1, I told you twice, boom, boom. Elbow, elbow, you're gonna throw it up, and then you're going to hit that whoa. And then we have this move. I'm going to explain that. So when we have elbow, elbow, throw up, hit that whoa, and then you're going to, this for me feels like tennis, playing a tennis game just with 2 rackets, yeah? But with your head, you can go whoop, whoop, whoop. You can do whatever you want actually. He does it like this, but everybody just does differently. But it's when you have that, I told you once, I told you twice, boom, boom, up and whoa, aha. So when you have that whoa, ah, whoa, ah, whoa, ah, whoa, and open, yeah? Whoa, and open, whoa, ah. Yes? So that's the whole dance. Let's go over it from, let's do from that shoot, ti-di-dum, boom, ka, and fight, boom, 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 clap, told you once, I told you twice, boom, boom, throw up, whoa, aha. Yes? So, let's do it from the beginning, slowly. 5, 6, 7, I did some wrong. Clap, I know I'm right. Boom, clap, I know I shoot. Do. Boom, clap, I know I fight. Boom, 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 clap, I know I won. I told you twice. Boom, ka, and boom, ka. Yes? So in this dance, you can also see that he just lifts his leg, but you can just decide for yourself. All right? So it's time to practice with the music. In the description, there's a video link. You can click it and practice with the music. You can go slow and then later fast. So take your time and just have some fun. Right? Good luck.